Are you looking to enable or disable dark mode in RedNote? Here's a quick and easy guide to get it done in just a few steps. First, open the RedNote app on your device. In the top left corner, tap on the three horizontal lines to access the main menu. From the list that appears, scroll down and select Settings, located at the bottom of the menu. Once inside the Settings menu, find and tap on the General section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Dark Mode. Selecting this will bring up the available settings. Now, you have a few choices. You can enable dark mode for a more comfortable, low-light experience. You can disable dark mode if you prefer the standard interface. Or, you can choose the system default setting to automatically match your device's theme. After making your selection, the changes will take effect immediately. And that's it, you've successfully customized dark mode in RedNote. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.